Hi everyone, welcome to In the Kitchen with HEB. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic recipe that's great for everybody's busy lifestyles. Our sheet pan salmon with jalapeno. We put our veggies all around. Everything gets salt, pepper, olive oil. It all goes into the oven, it all bakes together. Well, the great thing about this, dinner tonight becomes lunch tomorrow by using our leftover salmon in a bento box. Your favorite bag of salad, your favorite condiments and dressing, pack it up, you're good to go. For these and other great recipes, go to our website, heb.com/recipes.